If you forget your Netflix password, then I'm going to show you how to quickly find this on your computer. So if you guys sign into Netflix in the past on your computer, don't remember what your password is, these are the steps you need to take to quickly check it. So as you can see right here, I'm in my Google Chrome browser, guys, and this actually works in any browser that you've used Netflix before. So no worries, the steps are pretty much similar. So as I'm in Chrome, I'm going to just click three dots on the upper right hand side and go to where it says settings. You will do most likely the same in any browser that you have. And you want to go to autofill and passwords. Now click in Google Password Manager here, and you want to go ahead and use the search to type in Netflix. So I will type in Netflix, and you will see that it finds Netflix. So as I said, it only works like this if you've used Netflix in your browser before, right? So this is going to also save it for you. And just go ahead and click on Netflix here. And what it's going to do is going to ask you for your password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password here. And this allows it to open up so that I can view the password and the username for Netflix. So in this case, I find my Netflix and I see my email. And if I want to see the password, just simply click on this I right here to actually show the password. And that's all that you have to do, guys. So if you forget your Netflix password, follow these steps. You may be lucky to find your Netflix passwords safe in your browser, and you can easily find a password so that you can use it again. Don't have to reset it. These are the steps that will definitely save you a whole lot of time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.